In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page orientation in Microsoft Word, PC and Mac. When you're working on a document in Microsoft Word, there may be times when the default vertical layout just doesn't fit your content properly. Wide tables, large images, charts, or special formatting often look much better in a horizontal layout. Fortunately, changing the page orientation in Word is quick and simple, whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac. Let's start with changing the orientation for the entire document. Open your file in Microsoft Word and go to the Layout tab on the ribbon. In some versions, this may be labeled Page Layout, but the location is generally the same. Inside the Page Setup group, you'll see an option called Orientation. Click on it, and you'll be given two choices, Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is the default vertical layout, while Landscape rotates the page horizontally. Simply click the option you prefer and your entire document will instantly adjust. Now, what if you only want to change the orientation of a single page instead of the whole document? This is very useful when you need just one wide page for a table or graphic. First, place your cursor at the beginning of the page you want to change. Go to the Layout tab, click on Breaks, and insert a Next Page section break. Then scroll to the end of that same page and insert another Next Page section break. This separates that page into its own section. After creating the section breaks, click anywhere within that specific page. Return to the Orientation option under the Layout tab and choose Landscape or Portrait. Because the page is now in its own section, only that page will change orientation while the rest of the document remains the same. On both PC and Mac, the steps are almost identical. The ribbon layout may look slightly different depending on your version of Word, but the orientation setting is always found under the Layout tab. If your formatting shifts slightly after changing orientation, you may need to adjust margins or spacing to improve the appearance. Changing page orientation gives you more flexibility and helps ensure your content looks clean and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.